While the judicial system is supposed to ensure that victims of sexual abuse get justice, the way in which those victims are treated during the processes in the courts tend to inflict more harm than good. This is according to co-founder of Red Thread, Karen D'Souza, who has been a women and children's rights activist for many years.
I think it is revolutionary that both our law and the implementation of this law seeks to recognize that victims and complainants have rights and that those rights need to be protected. That the process of hearing charges should not lead and should not be allowed to further victimize people who have been very badly hurt.
Ms. D'Souza noted that while the implementation of the Sexual Offences Act has been driven by the non-government and non-legal communities, more ground needs to be covered, as there is a gap in the protection of the rights of the victims, that is, an accused rapist being allowed to cross-examine his accuser in the court.
Something seems to be very wrong with that in a situation where we are looking to protect the and to, I guess, make it possible for the victim to tell her story or his story in the court. And I would like to urge that that be looked at very seriously.
She opines that this is a factor which prevents some victims from reporting the matter to the police, and for some of those who do, they have second thoughts about testifying in the courts. Therefore, it is necessary to have this rectified in a timely manner so as to ensure that victims are not left traumatized after their ordeals when seeking justice. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, I am Kristen Macklingam.